Well, hi team. In Australia tonight, people will be homeless and sleeping outside. And what that means is not only will they be exposed to the elements, which is tough enough, but they'll also not have access to kitchen, bathroom or laundry facilities. You know, we have a partnership with Orange Sky. Orange Sky go into the communities and work with the homeless people, and for the donation of $6 are able to do a full load of washing to give homeless people at least the dignity of clean clothes. Now, I've been challenged, and I've made my $6 donation, but I've also been challenged to get 6 pieces of laundry in the washing basket behind me without looking. And I'm going to challenge someone else to do it in a moment, but I've got to try and do it myself first. So here we go. No idea whether that went in. Well, that didn't sound like it went in. There you go, all 6 went in, I'm sure. So I'd like now to challenge one of our team to do the same. So Rob Ford, you've just come back from America, you're back here in Brisbane. I challenge you to do the laundry challenge and get 6 pieces of laundry into the basket. So hey team, support Orange Sky. They're a wonderful group of people doing a wonderful job, and in all seriousness, it's a real challenge, but it's also a real opportunity for us to make a real difference.